Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the seashell and sea star ornament in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, they call Officials event, and then in this event you can get a new battle pass. That in here you can unlock many new rewards, and one of the rewards is the seashell and sea star ornament. That you can get it as a furniture recipe. That you can get it when you reach level 27, battle pass level 27, and so make sure you already reach this level. And to reach this level, you just need to complete the fashion wave points bar over here. You can just collect the points from the fashion wave catalog. They're available every weeks like this, and then you can get it from the collections reward on here, or you can also get it from daily quests. And then after you get this level, the level 27 like this, you can just unlock the recipe, and the recipe will be added to your workbench automatically. So just go to your workbench, and then next just scroll down until you find the recipe, this one, seashell and sea star ornament. And then in here you just need timber, rare timber, and then pearl oyster material pack. And then after that just simply tap on craft, tap on hold to continue, and just like that you will successfully making this beautiful ornament, the seashell and sea star ornament like this. And okay, like this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.